In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a controller to Steam Desktop. To get started, the first thing you need to do is connect your controller to your PC. You can do that either with a USB cable or over Bluetooth, depending on what's most convenient for you. If you're using USB, the process is very simple. Just plug the cable into your controller and then into your computer. In most cases, the controller should connect right away, which makes this the quickest and easiest option. If you'd rather connect wirelessly, start by putting your controller into pairing mode. On an Xbox controller, turn it on first, then press and hold the small pair button on the top until it's ready to pair. On a PlayStation controller, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until the light begins blinking. Once the controller is in pairing mode, go to your computer and open Windows Settings. From there, select Bluetooth and Devices, then click Add Device so your PC can search for the controller. When it appears in the list, select it to complete the connection. If Bluetooth gives you trouble, moving closer to your computer or turning the controller off and back on can help. After your controller is connected to the PC, open the Steam Desktop app. In the top left corner, click Steam, then choose Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, click the Controller tab on the left side. Here you'll see options for controller support. Turn on Steam input for the specific type of controller you're using, such as Xbox or PlayStation. This allows Steam to recognize the controller properly and helps improve compatibility across your games. Once that setting is enabled, you're ready to play. Your controller should now work with Steam Desktop, and you can jump into your games with controller support enabled.